Alright, hello everyone, welcome back again with my trip. How are you doing, brother?
Fine. We are happy to be here and excited.
Alright,
to
this
see.
will be really a perfect. So, do you have any planning for today?
I think we do.
Alright, so we have a planning to see some of the waterfall on the north of Bali. So, hopefully, our trip for today will be amazing. So, check it out. How's our trip? Thank you. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So, finally, on this great day, that we would like to visit the most gorgeous waterfall, which is not so far from Ubud area. What is the call?
Leke Leke Waterfall.
So, Leke Leke Waterfall is really popular for the tourist attraction in Luwus area. So, right now, I was already arriving at the parking, and then also would like to get the ticket. I would like to show you what is the nice condition update situation about Leke Leke Waterfall, especially they has a new place for ticketing. And how was my trip for today? Check it out. So guys, right now it is a process for celebrating for opening the Leke Leke new office. So over here, that's already arrived at the desk counter to get the ticket. All right. How much does it cost for the ticket?
And then we have one tickets, 50,000 rupees.
All right, let me see. Thank you. So guys, if you would like to visit Leke Leke Waterfall, it is only 50,000 rupiah per person. It is already included with the welcome drink, and they will be really welcoming you. It will be really nice and amazing, guys. So over here, there's also the toilet if you need the toilet before go to the waterfall. So today is like celebrating for a grand opening, the new office from Leke Leke. That's because way over here as we see there's some ritual that they do, especially right now. There's really nice building over here. There's a nice view from Leke Leke. Let me show you how this the view from the side. Wow, this is amazing. So there is some places for the tourist attraction also over here. The tourists can do the swing, and there's still a lot of things that they still on a process, especially with this beautiful gorgeous view, guys. Look at that. And a lot of preparation that they do now for the celebrating as Balinese ceremony, guys.
How much?
And over here, there is the entrance through the Leke Leke Waterfall. Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I just make a new review about update situation at the Leke Leke Waterfall. And here we go. This is the Leke Leke Waterfall, guys. So new direction, especially it's just grand opening for today. And they are just preparation for the update situation. And right now we will be walking a couple of minutes to get to the waterfall. Wow, it's really nice. So right here, this is Arabica coffee, but they just planted right now. So in another couple months probably they will be a little bit more bigger, but the normal coffee here, that we need about like 4 to 5 years until ready to harvesting the fruit. So it's quite long. And over here there's the panila. There's a lot of people in restaurant or cake store that using the vanilla as the flavor. Like over there, I can show you. Wait a second. This is the fruit from the vanilla. You see from there? This is the fruit.
It is good.
This is usually the people use for making a cake.
Oh, cake.
Yes.
It's like a banana a bit.
No, it's totally different. Probably later on another waterfall we can see the dry vanilla.
The taste.
The vanilla is like the taste like usually this they use for the flavor for making a cake. Some if you are going to the cake store, you will be find some of the flavor was tasty like vanilla.
Okay.
It's like powder. But I can see finally, I can say that finally is super expensive fruit. It can be in Bali, like for 1 kilo is like 3 million.
Oh my god.
Yes, they're super expensive. But to grow that one is not that easy. Sometimes the people successful on it, sometimes it's not.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and this is the ginger. Different kind of the name. This. That we use in Bali for the...
This is tourist who did this, no?
So I think there's the local from before they open. So this is sad to see that.
Yes.
Some plastic on another places.
Exactly.
So hopefully in the future this place they can do something even more better.
Ah.
So like this is the new attraction over here that they prepare. That they are doing the swings at the jungle. So this is just opening, brother.
Oh.
Really nice.
What is this?
So this is the new attraction. Probably you want to try?
You want to try for that activity swing?
Woo! Amazing. Well, guys, if you would like to playing the swing, in here also just grand opening for the swing. The price is only 100,000 with a beautiful tropical view. Amazing.
That one for the tandem, or the price 150 for the tandem, 2%.
150 for two?
That one. Yes, 150 for.
What's the difference between
No, because it's only one person.
Yes, because this one,
Whereas this one is for
with
two.
this one and 1%, that one for the tandem.
Yes, it's for two. Bah viens, on le fait à deux alors. C'est ça que t'as.
So before you use the swing, they will be help you to using the safety belt to make sure that you are safe whenever you do the swing.
You get in first? Get in first.
Yes. How was your feeling after try the swing?
Oh, it was incredible.
incredible, amazing.
If you can
Amazing.
do it, do it.
So try to make a nice experience at the Leke Leke because there's a new attraction over here. So you must be try, guys, because it is the best experience ever you can make whenever you came to Bali. So anyway, I really would like to show you about the waterfall. How was the waterfall at the Leke Leke? That's I really want to show you the right way and then it's the nice place to see whenever you come to Bali. So check it out. Hello.
Hi.
So this is the area from Leke Leke. That's the way you will be see a lot of new things surrounding this area. And that is durian. That is durian, but right now only has the flower. In another couple months, will be become a fruit from the durian. And over here, this is the jackfruit.
Bigfoot. Ah, yes.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit, yes.
What is it?
It is like some people say it look like a durian, but this jackfruit is different. It's not smell fruit, but durian is a smell. Yeah, yeah. And this is the banana. So you have to know also the banana in I think in another country is also the same. Whenever the banana has the fruit, it's only one time has the fruit. After that one will be die, and then become the new baby come out from the ground. So every banana is only able one time to has a fruit. Like what we already can see over here. There's a new baby. See it? This is younger than this one, and then next time become like this one. So every time it will be cut, it's become a new
Okay.
plant again. And this is the mangosteen, and for the mangosteen, most of the time there's only able to has a fruit one time a year. And over here is the mangosteen, see. So right now this one is not on the season, but there's some mangosteen has the fruit, like over there also, see.
Ah yes, here.
Yeah, there's the mangosteen every there also.
Okay.
And then this is the palm tree. The palm tree that's we use in Bali for making a brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Ah, brown sugar.
Yes. So I know how to make that because whenever COVID, I have been making the palm sugar. So this is the new direction to the waterfall. So probably we has a number less than 100 people going down because this is just opening. And this is clove. This is clove.
Clove.
Yes. I think you are using a lot of clove for cooking.
I forgot.
So we are walking in the jungle right now. Really cool. Look at that. Wow. Amazing.
Amazing.
Woo.
It's so natural. Alors, il m'a expliqué, madame, voyage dans la vie normale avec des machines. Pas moi.
Why you take off the shoes?
I have to go for water.
Alright.
Jesus.
How gorgeous is this waterfall, guys. So finally, I just arrived at Leke Leke Waterfall. So what do you think about the waterfall, guys?
Yes.
Amazing. You love it.
Incredible. Honestly,
All right.
the view.
Hopefully that we are making a really nice video and photo on this trip. Then this is the Leke Leke Waterfall. All surrounding it is a green plant. Everything was really nice. This is Bali tropical, guys. Woo! I really like it because the waterfall is compared with the other one. This is much more quiet because this waterfall is like in the middle of the jungle, like what we can see here. So in the middle from nowhere. Really cool. Well, that is all about the Leke Leke waterfall. Hopefully you are really like it. What do you think about the waterfall, sir?
It's incredible because it's so natural and so beautiful. Honestly, it's in the jungle, something like this. I've never seen that.
All right. So, well, guys, if you has planning visit Bali, let me know. Get my Instagram or my number. I would like to really happy to escorting you in Bali for the trip because I work every day as a driver to show you guys about Bali. So thank you. I see you at the next stop. Bye.